Alright, hey guys, so this is our latest LED fog light here at Lightworks Philippines. We're just doing a quick test, and as you can see, this is only the fog light. We have an oncoming traffic, and you will notice that the oncoming traffic is not bothered by the light that we have on the fog light. This is a product which has a very good optical design where it's not actually dazzling other motorists. So again, this is just the fog light. Now let me turn on the headlight. Alright, so that's the headlight. So you've got additional illumination on the front. This is going to be the high beam, so this is going to form the maximum output that you're going to be traveling with. So very good for long distance driving, like what we're doing right now. And by the way, there's another added benefit. So this is the white light. Okay, turn it off. That's the yellow light. Alright, turn it off again, and then you've got the combination of both the yellow and the white light. So that's the beauty about this product. You've got two colors designed for any type of condition. Now let me just add this there. The advantage of this product, as opposed to getting a dual color LED bulb, is that on a dual color LED bulb you won't have the optical characteristics of what you see on this product. This is a projector fog light, so you've got precise optical beam, making sure that you don't dazzle oncoming traffic. Alright, so let's turn it off. Turn on the headlight. That's only the headlight. Alright, hold on. So the camera's having a hard time focusing. Alright, there you go. Okay, so that's the headlight added with the fog light, so you've got ample light up ahead. Alright, thank you guys, and have a great day.